In this session, we're going to blend and read some CVC words and do some activities together. But before we start, let's remember the short vowels together.
Short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write.
Now it's time to read some CVC words. Let's start. Now let's try to blend the sounds together and read the word. P, I, G. What's this word? Yes, that's right. It's pig.
Pig. J. A. Jam. Hen. S. O. Some. B. O. X. Box. W. E. B. Web. B. E. D. Bed. A. P. Map. T. I. N. Tin. O. O. G. Log. K. O. P. Cup. B. A. T. Bat.
Well done, KG. Now it's activity time. In this activity we have some pictures and sounds. I want you to put the sounds in order, then try to read the words. Yes, in the first picture we have cat, and we have three sounds: a, t, and k. The first sound is, yes, that's right, it's k. And second sound is, or the middle vowel is ka, it's a. And the last sound is t. So k, a, t. It's cat. Cat. Next picture. What's this? Yes, it's fan. Fan. The first sound is The middle vowel is fa. It's a. And the last sound is fan. I have here hat, and I have three sounds. Hat, what's the first sound? Yes, it's h sound. And I have a as a middle vowel. And the last sound is t. H, a, t. Make the word hat. Van. Van. The first sound is v. The middle vowel is a. And the last sound is I have here bat. Bat. The first sound is b, and the middle vowel is a. The last sound is t. B, a, t. Make the word bat. Dog. Dog. The first sound is, yes, that's right, it's d. And the middle vowel is o. The last sound is g. D, o, g. Dog. Hen. Hen. The first sound is, yes, excellent, h. The middle vowel is e, and the last sound is h, e, n. Make the word hen. Activity number 2. Can you match the word to the correct picture? We will read together and match with the correct picture. Let's start. The first word is a. Yes, excellent. It's map. Map. Next word, p, a, t. Pat. Pat. Next word, s, a, p. Sap. Sap. S, a, t. Sat. Sat. And the last word is t, a, p. Tap. Tap. T, a, g. Yes, excellent. Tag. Tag. P, o, t. Pot. Pot. G, a, p. Gap. Gap. D, I, g. Dig. Dig. P, I, g. Pig. Pig. This is the end of our session. Thanks for watching. See you later.